they're going to look at us and say, we want this, God. We don't want to wait until August the party. They will come April 20th and say, we want this, God.
This is Morning Devotion with your friend, Apostle Dr. Stephen Andrews.
A certain sound and that kind of thing, but I mean, your goal as a church, you know, and just as a worship team to you know, bring honor and glory unto God and really create a space for people to experience God in His majesty. So yeah, that's where in creation my heart has been and has always been when I work with anybody who has that goal, right?
Restoration. So this is our main sanctuary. We're celebrating 14 years on the 11th of April 2025. It will make us 14 years in this new sanctuary that the Lord has given to us, and hence the reason we are going to do something powerful. We're going to have what we call the Experience One, Grace to Worship.
Glory incomparable brings me to my knees. Just can't seem to find the words. I bow before your feet. The greatest God I know, you rule right from your throne. I'm in awe of your glory. You are